What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't trade problem on Steam. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam, or you can just simply type in store.steampowered.com, and that you will be directly redirected to the official website of Steam. And after going to the official website of Steam, on the right side at the top you will see the option of login. Click on that, and if you are new, just simply sign up with your email and password to create your new Steam account. But if you already have a Steam account, just simply log in with your Steam account. And after signing up or logging in, on the left side, you will see the button to install Steam. Click on that and install the Steam application. And after that, when you install the Steam application, this is what the Steam applications interface look like. And now from here, on the left side, you need to go to the Steam icon. And after that, you click on settings. Now, after coming to the settings, click on the security tab. And after that, click on manage Steam Guard. When you click on manage Steam Guard, you will see the option to get Steam Guard's code from the app on my phone or get Steam Guard codes by email. You just need to choose from these two apps to turn your added security layer. This will add a security layer to your Steam Guard access, and after that you will be able to easily trade in Steam. So this will solve the problem of the Steam not trading issue. So that was all for this video everyone. Thanks for watching.